One of the amazing ways to make money online today is by publishing books. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can write a full book from the starting to the end, the title, the cover, everything, without writing a single word. You're surprised. So here's a quick message for those coming back. This video is the second part on how you can create your ebook from scratch using OpenAI. So the part 1 of this video will be linked in the description, or you might find it around this card right here, or at the end screen of this video. So the first part of this video, I covered a lot of ground, from how you can get your best-selling niche, to how you can generate a killer and catchy title, to how you can generate all your chapters, to how you can format your book. Okay, so this second part, I'll be covering how you can generate all your content and how you can expand on this content and how you can monetize this very opportunity. I shared in this very part 2 ways you can make at least $1,000 from this. So just watch this video and know this secret. Okay, so let's continue with this amazing content right now. You're surprised. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this AI tool to write this from scratch, from the beginning to the end, with no experience whatsoever. Even if you don't have any idea of what to write about, I'll be showing you the platform to write and format this ebook, where to sell this ebook, how to turn this into a service, turning this into a double source of income, making a minimum of $1,000 every single month as a complete side hustle. So sit back, relax as we dive into this right now. But if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norma Evans. I show you easy ways to make money online in this channel, and also how you can be more productive and make more money for yourself. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. As you are doing that, please do it to like this video. Thanks in advance. So with that said, sit back and relax as we dive deep into this video. What we are going to do right now is we are going to tell ChatGPT to expand on this very topic. Okay, we are going to say expand on every of these chapters. We click on enter, and we are going to wait for him to generate the magic for us. Okay guys, so ChatGPT just generated an expand on our chapter 1, guys. So this is the first point in chapter 1. As you can see, unleashing your entrepreneurial spirit, expand on this chapter. Is just expand on it. Let's copy this and paste this on our formatting. So we copy this and we come back to our formatting right here. This is our third page, this is our second page, this is our third page right here. We are going to paste it on our third page. This is our chapter 1. We can expand on it to make it like 3 or 4 pages. That's just one chapter. Then we come back to ChatGPT and we can just see more details. More details on this. Let's click on go. It's going to generate more details on this chapter 1. And it's furtherly expand this to this very point. Now I'm going to come here and copy this right here. I'm going to copy it down. Then I'm going to take it and we're going to bring it right here. Okay, this is the expanded version. I'm going to paste it here. So right now we have 6 pages, right? Okay, instead of 4 pages, we have now 6 pages. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to expand on the next chapter. So let's come over here and we are going to see the next. Okay, the next right here is identifying your entrepreneur mindset. We are going to copy this also. Okay, we are done with the first one. We copy this and we're going to come over to ChatGPT. We are going to paste it here. We are going to tell him to expand on this. Okay, we just tell him expand. He has already expanded for us. So we're going to come over. What we are doing is very simple. We're going to copy this. We come over. So as you can see, identifying your entrepreneur mindset, expand on this. Certainly, here is an expanded explanation for this session on identifying your entrepreneurial mindset. So we're going to come here and we're going to copy every word here. I'm going to copy every word here. We're going to copy it down. Okay, we're going to copy it from here. We're going to copy it. Then we come here. We're going to paste it on this subtitle. So we are going to leave it here. We're going to paste it here. So this is what we expand on. Now, the first page contains the title, as you can see right here. As we move down to the second page, we are going to be having access to the chapter. Okay, we just expand on this right now, chapter 1. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to expand on chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. You are going to do this to chapter 8. Just follow the procedure I used in chapter 1. The reason this video is long is because I'm taking my time to explain things to you. If I have to do this on my own, this won't cost more than 20 minutes to do everything immediately. But there's one thing we have to check. Okay, we don't know if this content is free. We don't know if this content is copyright free. So we are going to ask ChatGPT if this content is copyright free, if we can use it for other platforms. So we are going to ask ChatGPT, is this plagiarism free? So we're going to click on send, and we're going to await its response. Okay, as you can see, say yes, the content provided is generated by the AI model, okay, and is plagiarism free. Okay, however, it is important to note that while efforts are made to ensure the information provided is accurate and original, the responsibility lies with the user to verify and properly cite the information when necessary. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT has clarified us that this is plagiarism free and it's copyright free. That means it's original and we can use it in every part. And you can create your ebook right now and you can format your ebook right away following the process I showed to you. Now, here is how you can monetize this right now. Number one way you can monetize this is by Amazon KDP. If you come to Amazon KDP, these are books people are selling on Amazon KDP, and people are making good money from this platform. Me right here, I'm an Amazon KDP publisher. I publish books here, and I make good money from this platform every single month. Now, if you come here, you can generate book from ChatGPT under 20 minutes, and you can publish more than 2 to 5 books on Amazon KDP platform every single day. If you follow the simple strategy I shared with you, all right, now you can come here and publish books here. And these are people selling books here, okay, as low as $14, okay, $14. If you come down here, diverse niche, all right, for $4, $14, and people are making huge money from this platform. $14, $11, people are making huge money from this platform. Me right here, I'm an Amazon KDP publisher, and I make a whole lot of money from this platform every single month. Okay, so if you come to Amazon KDP, you can be publishing more than 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 books in this platform and making good money for yourself. And this is one of the way you can make money from this very secret. Now, people don't know about this platform, ChatGPT. Go ahead and utilize it and publish as many books you can on Amazon KDP. Now, second way to monetize this is by using Fiverr. Now, if you come to Fiverr and search for write ebook or ebook writer, just click on ebook writer. And you are going to see people making money from this very platform. Now, these are people publishing books. As you can see, this very guy right here, see, I will do 30K Amazon Kindle ebook as Amazon KDP book writer, and is charging $40. And this very person right here has over 61 orders. 61 orders in $40, guys. $14. This very person right here is charging $120. You see, I will write a captivating ebook of up to 40,000 words, and it's charging $120. Okay, $120, and he has over 146 order. Crazy. This very person right here is charging over $80 and is having over 90 orders. You say, I will be your ebook writer, ghostwriter, Kindle publisher, Kindle book writer, and other stuff. Now, if you come over, scroll down, you're going to be seeing other people. This very person right here, I believe is a Nigerian. Okay, it's a Nigeria already. There are more Africans and Nigerians in this platform. Okay, this is Joy Wisdom. I believe these people right here are Nigerians. Okay, as you can see, I will write ghostwrite high quality books, ebooks, writing as ebook writer, and it's charging over $40, and it has over 35 orders and 5-star rating. This very person says, I will be your ebook writer. I will be your ebook writer online course content creation ebook, and it has over 12 orders and it's charging $40. As you can see, people are jumping into this. Now, people are looking for people to write ebooks for them. Now, if you can post gigs on this Fiverr, you can make good money from it. Now, this is how you can stand out from these very people. Now, these people right here are charging $40, $100, $50, and all of that. Now, if you come here and you charge $30 to write 5 ebooks for people, they are going to jump at you. Now, imagine you come here and charging $40 to write 5 ebooks for someone, and to write 5 ebooks, now clients are going to be rushing at you because other people are charging $40, $50, $100 to write just 1 ebook, and you are charging just $30 to write at least 3, 4, 5 ebooks. on the spot, they are going to jump at you, and you are going to see many people rushing at you, giving you their work. And you can do this easy with ChatGPT. And within 1 hour, you can generate up to 4 ebooks from ChatGPT. Very simple. All you have to do is to take the idea they give you, come to ChatGPT and generate this ebook or your Google Doc and format it, and you submit it. You can make as low as $1,000 every single month just writing ebooks on Fiverr, or you can publish your ebooks on Amazon and you can make money for yourself. So I believe this video was very helpful to you. All right, do well to like this video, comment in the comment section if you know you got value from this video, and if you have any challenges, if you have any worries, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to attend to all your comments and I listen to my audience very well. I know you find value from this video. Subscribe to my channel by turning on post notification, because I drop 2 valuable content every single week. You don't want to miss out. So thanks for watching, guys. I believe you found value from this video. So with these strategies alone, you can make good money for yourself, at least $1,000 every single month as a complete side hustle. Now, if you're already an Amazon KDP publisher, this is going to be a huge opportunity for you, because with this simple method, you can publish more than 10 books every single day. And if you offer your work on Fiverr, you can publish more than 10 books in a single day, and you can make at least $50 to $100 from your gig. So guys, this is an opportunity you have to jump in. Now, if you have not watched the part 1 of the video, which is the first phase of the video, where I share with you how you can generate your killer idea and how you can generate all your chapters and how you can format your book, check the description to access that first video, or you can click the video showing your screen right now. I'm going to be leaving it there so that you can access the first phase of the video, so that you can have a full understanding of this very video. So I will leave a link in the description to all the tools I make use of in this video. And if you're using a mobile phone, it's 100% applicable, so make sure you use your Chrome browser to access all the link I'll be dropping in the description. So thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the first phase of the video showing on your screen right now. So with that said, if you have not subscribed, this is the right time to do that now. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you give this video a like. So I'm going to be seeing you here in 3, 2, 1, go.